Hi everybody. I got the October Goddess Provision. The October Goddess Provision box. I have to wear these. Sorry about the mess in my bedroom. And I'm gonna open it with you guys. Let's see. Oh my god. Hey, Goddess Provision. I'm so silly. Magic is all around us. This is a cheat sheet. Can you see? Okay, let's start with this package, which is the small one. Let's see what it is. It says the Cottage Witch. The Cottage Witch. I guess I have to damage it. Practical Magic, Face and Body Milk. Oh, cool. It smells very botanical. Okay. And look at the box, how sweet. Look how nice. Okay. That was the first one. And then Wiggly Worms. Wiggly Worm. Vamos a abrir esta. Let's open this one. That's what got me. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I love this. I saw this. It's a necklace. Qué bello. Qué hermoso ese crystal ball necklace. Híjole, híjole. Qué hermoso. Look at this chain. How nice. It says in the back, crystal balls have been traditionally used in scrying, divination, and gazing. The care for your necklace, avoid submerging in water. Clean with a soft cloth. 14-karat gold-plated alloy featuring obsidian stone. My favorite stone. And look at this. Que divino. I love it. I'm going to like wear this. I'm gonna wear the fuck out of this. Qué lindo. Está precioso. Precious. And it's going right on my neck, bitch. Come on, babe. Come on, Georgina. You can do this. Come on, Georgina. You can do this. I know you can too. Wait, what happened here? Oh, because it's this. Okay, I see. I like that length. I'm sorry, I have asthma. Not COVID. I mean, I don't know. I have to take a test. Oh, yes. Okay. This is so 90s, right? Let's open this tin container. Tin container. Go on. I think I could scratch it. They packed this so wonderfully well. Oh! Let's see what it says. Ooh. Moon Magic Ritual. Under the light of a full moon, fill your vial with water. Your vial with water. And set on a windowsill. Cleanse the smoky quartz crystal and place it next to your vial to infuse the water with the crystal's essence. Leave overnight. Use the crystal infused moon water in rituals or meditation to release negativity. Oh, ay, qué lindo. Oh my God, I love, 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 love. Ah, this is the water already energized? No, Gina, this could be what? This is an oil. I am sorry that it's taking so long. I just wanted to do this really fast. Because, you know, Goddess Provision is not sponsoring me or paying me to do this. I just love it. So this is the oil. An organic essential oil blend of bergamot, and tea tree to provide strength and balance. La cosa se puso color de hormiga de vial. It's plastic. Well, it's I don't know. I think it's plastic. And this is the stone. The stone is smoky quartz. And this is the oil. Ah, how beautiful. Oh, look, and it came with this. How sweet. What does it say? Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. How nice. I love this little, I'm gonna keep it. I love the tint. Actually, I'm gonna keep this here. Okay. I'm gonna keep this here. I love the box artwork. And then in the back says Goddess Provision. I love it. I love the color. Qué lindo. Goddess Provisions. Oh my God, it's so nice. I know what this is. Okay, I have so many mugs. But it's okay, look. Oh, how cute. Qué lindo. I can't see. I love it. It's beautiful. I love black mugs. Cute. Very nice. Oh, wait. There's one more item. There's one more item. I just had lunch. Nice. Tarot notepad. 100% recyclable paper. Recyclable paper. Qué lindo. Ay, qué lindo. Cállate ya, pendeja. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and comment so I can get more fucking likes, I can get more fucking subscribers, and I can start getting paid for this fucking bullshit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I do it because I like it. I like doing it. I like showing off my things. I know, I just like it. And also so people know that this box exists. And it's not that expensive. It's like 30 something, 35 around. So it's very nice. And you see the things that comes in this box. Very cute. So thank you very much. That's my dog. That's my dog. He also has asthma, like me, like mother, like son. Arrivederci, ciao, ciao bella. Grazie mille.